What's up, everybody? It's Fun Size Review time with a bite-sized human. It's Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Lucky Charms soft baked bars. Soft baked cereal bars from General Mills. Two great all-time cereals. You like cereal? You want to eat these first?
Yeah.
Marshmallow Blondie bars. Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah.
You want to eat one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Do you want your own or do you want to share with Daddy?
Shoot, Daddy.
You're so nice. Now, I love Blondies, and these are delicious, don't get me wrong, but they don't really taste like a Blondie to me. All I taste is straight up marshmallow, which some of you are going to love. Now, for me, this might come as a shock. I don't like really sweet things. I know, crazy, right? They are soft, they are moist, they are delicious, but flavor-wise, not exactly my cup of tea. Still a good product. I'm gonna give these a 7 out of 10. I think this one's gonna be awesome.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. These are cinnamon swirl flavored, and these are definitely more my jam. As you can see, both bars look very similar. They both have the icing, similar colors, but Lucky Charms has marshmallows,
Here goes that.
and Cinnamon Toast Crunch has these little crunchy cinnamon streusel bits. You really can't mess with either of these bars, but I told you guys my personal biases, so it should come as no surprise that I'm gonna give the Cinnamon Toast Crunch soft baked bars the edge and a 9 out of 10. Which one do you like more?
Big one.
This one? Lucky Charms?
Yeah.
It's because of the marshmallows, isn't it? It's because of the marshmallows. He's gonna be here soon. So you know.
Peace